Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Our case today more practical and you can face it during your on-call time. Nursing staff calling you to assess baby Amal 18 days old preterm 30 weeks low birth weight 1.6 kg admitted due to what? Due to RDS and received 3 doses of surfactant and successfully extubated to non-invasive ventilation. After a while, the baby developed mixed apnea, for which caffeine started due to central apnea, and the baby received non-invasive ventilation due to obstructive apnea. 2 pressure, positive inspiratory pressure and positive expiratory pressure and rate. After a while, the ventilator started to alarm. What is reading in the ventilator? There is main airway pressure is high. Main airway pressure is high. So what are going to do? What is the meaning of main airway pressure is high, and what are the causes of high main airway pressure, and how to fix it? First of all, what is the meaning of high main airway pressure? This means the pressure required to ventilate the baby or the lung exceeds preset pressure اكتر من اللي انت حاطه. So this is what is the meaning of high main airway pressure alarm. What are the causes? Depend the baby ventilated or non-ventilated, in invasive or non-invasive. Invasive, so the ATT, it will be upper airway or lower airway. Upper airway, 3S, secretion, spasm or small ATT, or kinked or bited or the baby is fighting. Lower airway, it will be lung problem, poor compliance, or pleural, there is means air trapping or pneumothorax. This if the baby what? If the baby in invasive ventilation. Non-invasive ventilation, it will be circuit. The breathing circuit is kinked or blocked, or the non-fitting mask or Hudson in the nasal bronch. So how to fix it? Depend the baby invasive or non-invasive. You have to clear the secretion, the spasm, you have to check the circuits, the patency of the circuits, and you have to change the ATT if the baby ventilated, and you have to treat the pneumothorax, and you have to treat the poor compliance lung. Maybe you need another surfactant or need invasive ventilation. ومن أحياها فكأنما أحيا الناس جميعا.